Are you going to the Huntsville Hamfest for the first time, or maybe the first time in a long time? There's an app for that. Let's talk about it. It's almost here, y'all. It's right around the corner. Huntsville Hamfest is almost here. Guys, I can't wait to see you all at Huntsville. Very meaningful Hamfest to me. It's one of my favorites that I go to every year, and I hope you feel the same way. And now it's gotten even easier to get in on all the fun. Maybe you're new to going to Huntsville, or this is your first one in many years. There's an app now to actually help you out with that. So let me go ahead and bring in my cell phone here. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. And if you go into the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, you can find the ARRL Events App. So you'll just search ARRL space Events. And when you do, you just download this free app. And as we open it up here, for some reason it's defaulting to the ARRL website, which is not traditional. What it normally would do was, we'll open this up. And I'll ask you what event you're looking for. And this is it. You're going to click on the Huntsville Hamfest, and you can see they've got the Huntsville logo up top here, and numerous things here. They've got a button for the ARRL sweepstakes, which you can see down at the bottom, the Win and the Icon Dream Station, which I've featured here on HamShackTV before. That's easy enough. Maybe you're going to learn, right? So you want to go to a forum. Let's click on forums, and you see tips here. You can add these to your personal schedule. You can see some instructions on how to do that, but check this out. It's all right here in front of you. You know, maybe you want to go to this Arduino microcontroller forum. That's going to be in the Redstone room from 10 to 11 on Saturday. High school weather balloon, Ellicraft, lightning research, young hams. Look at this. It's just so easy to find what you're looking for as far as a forum goes. We continue to scroll down the 11 o'clock hour. Chameleon Antenna is going to have one. The ARRL Alabama section and Aries meeting will take place in room 2. I'm not going to go through all of these, but you see 12 o'clock, you got Eris doing a forum. Also at 12 o'clock, the ARRL National Membership Forum will take place in room 2. There'll be a beginning Morse code forum there in Big Spring D. And then kit building techniques. At 1 o'clock, the Alabama Repeater Council, VHF, UHF Week signal operating. 2 o'clock, Aurora. That's one you don't want to miss, guys. If you're going to Huntsville, go check out this Aurora forum, y'all. That radio is a game changer if I've ever seen a game changer. Check that out. The National Amateur Radio Alliance will be giving a forum at 2 o'clock in Big Spring D. 3D printing at 3. The National Weather Service and Skywarn will have a presentation in Big Springs D at 3 o'clock. And then there'll be a power pole forum. What am I trying to say? Powder puff? I don't know. Moving on to Sunday, you see the YouTube group. Yours truly will be a part of that. Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course, KMRD, Tank Radio. All of us will be in part of that. POTA planning. What is Meshtastic? Maybe you're interested in Meshtastic. That's a great one to go to. Check out my favorite Meshtastic device with Spec 5. You'll see that link down in the description down below. I think you'll like that. And then an Adult Soldering 101 class from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in room 2. So really cool, guys. Super easy way to find your forums. Let's go back to the main page here. There's a list of exhibitors, and check this out. Easy to find, and it's going to tell you where they're at. So let's say you're looking for Eris. They're going to be at C7, booth C7. National Amateur Radio Alliance, C9, C10. POTA will be at C11 and C12. I mean, it's super easy to find. Now, the map is not in place yet, I don't believe, but it will be by the time the Huntsville Hamfest has got here. So Be ready for that. The Wireman, Tower Electronics, Quicksilver. I mean, the list goes on and on. So easy to find, and you can sort by booth or you can sort by name. M&L Radio Technologies. There's Leroy, our good friend with M&L. He'll be in booth number, I think that's 53 if I'm looking at it correct. So a super easy way to find your stuff. This is my event. So if let's say you wanted to do the YouTuber forum, okay? You wanted to go see it. You're going to click on this, and it shows speakers, Ham Radio 2.0, but there's obviously going to be a lot more than that. You can click this add button up here. And if you click add, it's going to ask you for access to your calendar, and that's fine. So I allow full access. I scroll back to the main homepage, click on my event, my schedule, boom, there's my YouTube group. So if you want to have a honed-in itinerary for your time at the Huntsville Hamfest, this makes it super easy. I know I've used an app similar to this for Adobe Max when I go out to Los Angeles, California. That's a work trip, unfortunately, so it's hard to bring you all along on that one, but makes it super easy. Prize drawings. Here's the hourly prize drawings list. They may have not gotten this loaded in yet. That just takes you to the Huntsville Hamfest website. There'll be more information pop up as we get closer to that one. Let's see here. Flea market. This shows you the listings of all the flea market dealers here. You can sort by booth number, or you can sort by name. For instance, let's say I wanted to see my buddy Tim Berry. Actually, he may not be. He's not going to be registered. Let's talk about Tim Montgomery. How about that? Boom, there he is. And then I can click map it, and it's going to show me where he is. So it doesn't pinpoint it doesn't look like, but it'll show you on your map where, so you can relate it, so to speak, to where they would be at. So super easy. There's also a maps button here. You can see Von Braun South Hall. That'll show you the whole map of that. We'll scroll back again. Flea market table listings, parking, Embassy Suites forum map. Super, super easy, y'all. Super easy. Great thing. Attendees button. Not sure what that is yet. I think that's just a way to network. My badge. Got to fill out my profile first. So let's go ahead and fill out my profile for the fun of it. How about that? And you can opt out of being listed in attendees. That's fine. And I'm gonna skip out on the address portion and all that stuff. And then drop my email address in here. Twitter handle, Breaker19. Are they thinking that's, are they going to treat that like it's CB? I don't know. And now I'll click my badge, and you see it just gives you a QR code. So super cool. You can also scan other folks' QR codes super easy. Now I'm casting from my phone to my computer, so it doesn't work there like that, but when you hit scan badge, you're going to get your camera pulled up, so it's really cool, really easy. But we want to go back to these attendees, and you can see all kinds of folks in here. Kind of crazy. There's Mark Brown, our buddy that's the chairman of the Huntsville Hamfest. There's Jeff, N4POD. Shout out to him. He's a member of my club. Let's see here. Am I in here yet? Am I? Yep, there I am, right there. So pretty cool. And you can request a meetup with anybody. So really cool, guys. I'm really excited to try out this app. I understand that they've used this for other events like Dayton Hamvention and maybe Hamcation in the past. But this is my first time fooling with this. So again, go into your app store, whether it's Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and search the app or the ARRL Events app. I think you're going to like it. I think you're going to enjoy it. And it's going to make your time a lot less stressful hanging out there in Huntsville, Alabama with us. So again, Huntsville Hamfest coming up August 16th and 17th. at the Von Braun Center, 700 Monroe Street in Huntsville, Alabama. Guys, it's going to be a great time. Friday before, we're going to be doing POTA up on Monte Sano, hanging out with the YouTube bunch. Hopefully y'all can make it up there if you want. You're more than welcome to come check us out. Be up there with Ham Radio 2.0, all those guys. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate the support here on HamShackTV. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4 WX WSEB 693.